Baby, where are we going today?
Wherever you want to.
We're here at the park with Carlos' brother and his fiancée and his fiancée's brother. That's Carlo. Yeah! They're just playing basketball and Mickey and Bella's there. Over there. Hey, Mickey! Shh. Mickey! Bakit?
Pwede?
Mickey, it's okay. Hello.
Tinatawanan niya yan.
Hello. Ay, Mickey, come here.
Itatali siya.
Mickey, shh, may.
Ayan, babante. Yan, pakaliwa ba yan? Yan, babante.
Nakalutang na yata. Yan na. Yun, ah! Lapit tayo, Mickey. Mickey, lapit tayo. Yun!
Ano yan? Baby Jom.
Baby, come on.
Lumulubog yun yan.
Ito, ako matulog tubig.
Lumulutong na. Malalim. Naliliging tunog eh.
Ba yun? Yan, araw, tago nga.
Kung hindi mo, wala na agad.
Ataw!
Ano ba yan? Malambot eh.
Ayun na, may stick. Ayun.
Oh!
Okay na.
Yes.
Yan lang. Kumikidad na yan. Palikod ka. Kiss mo, kuya. Kuya. Tuloy. Tuloy yan.
Ayun, stick oh. Ayun, lapit na.
Hindi ba ito nakakaano eh?
Okay na yun. Yun.
Oh! Ang dati.
Kaya kababay mo sa'yo. Oh.
Ano ba? Mickey, it's okay. Hey, Mickey.
Wala na ako pala eh.
Hi guys, morning. I'm doing a recipe and I'm gonna upload this maybe this week or next week. It's a fried chicken recipe. Here's the chicken. I'm frying the chicken over here. So I'm just waiting for it to cook. I'm filming right now, so I'm in my PJs. I think this one is good already. I just want to make sure that it's cooked inside. I don't want to burn the skin or the outside, but I want to make sure that the inside is cooked. And also I'm gonna make fried rice, but I have to prepare all the ingredients first. I'm caramelizing the onion right now, and it's been about maybe 15 to 20 minutes that I've been cooking this one a low heat. It was on like 3 a while ago. I started on medium high, but then when it already the onion was already cooked, I turned it on 3 and I just lowered it right now. I'm done with the chicken recipe, so this is fried chicken. For me, it's better if you have the old fried rice, I mean rice, because this one I just cook because we don't have old cooked rice, so I'm just letting it cool down for a bit because I want it to be like not this sticky, because one day old rice, the cooked one, if it's old like 1 day, it's not as sticky as the fresh cooked one, so I'm just letting it cool for a while. Because for me, for fried rice, it's better if it's not freshly cooked. So I added the mixed veggies already.